Hey, what's going on, guys? Manufacturer sent me this large set of 18 router bits for free so I can check them out and let you know what I think about it. So you can see I have them all lined up here on this scrap 2x4. So it has just a really wide range of sizes and shapes of bits. They're all 1/4 inch bits, so different cutting type bits, corner rounding, and then notching bits. Just all kinds of really cool, like I said, just shapes and sizes for any type of project that you want to use or do. So that's really cool. And you can see they each come with an individual case that marks the shape of them, so you can put them away and keep them individually wrapped so you always know what you're going back to. So I really like that about it. And this is the box it came with, and they did all come with the lids. I just put them away to show you, but each one has a lid so they don't get lost or fall out and everything. So that's pretty cool. So I'm going to walk through and show you actually a couple of them on this scrap 2x4 just so you can see how well they actually cut. Always make sure to unplug your tools before you change your blades and bits. Now I'll grab one of these smaller cutting or notching type bits. And so this is not a edge routing bit. This is actually a notch cutting bit. So I'm going to put on my guide. So you can see the nice little groove there that it did. And this one is a roundover bit. So this one's a cove bit. So now what I have on here is a mortise bit. So again, you can just see there's a huge, wide variety and a nice assortment of bits. They cut really well. I'm really happy about them so far. Definitely something I'll keep around for when I do need to do woodworking projects. So I think they're great. Recommend them.